They say beauty is pain, but what if I told you you can get a Brazilian wax at home without any pain? You heard me right, zero pain, zero irritation, and better results than your local spa, because guess what? They are hiding one very important secret from you. In today's video, we will reveal the forbidden Brazilian wax angle that all spas quietly rely on. Get ready because I am going to show you how to shape your bikini area for the perfect lift, even if you have never waxed before. Now, why do I call this technique illegal? Because it goes against everything you have been taught by other estheticians about waxing. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through each step so you can achieve flawless results at home. This technique might feel a little weird at first, but trust me, once you see the outcome, you will understand why this method is considered illegal. In fact, after watching this video, you will never want to go back to the traditional Brazilian wax again. This method has been passed down to me from my mom, who used to work as an esthetician in Brazil. She learned this technique from a famous Brazilian wax specialist named Joanna, who created this method in the early 1980s. Joanna was known for having the best wax results in Brazil, and her clients were willing to pay up to $500 for a single session. That's equivalent to $2,600 in today's money. But here's the crazy part. After years of perfecting her technique, Joanna decided to pass on her knowledge to her most trusted esthetician, my mom. And now I'm going to spill all the secrets with you guys. The reason why spas don't want you to know this technique is simple. If you learn how to do it at home, you will never have to pay them to wax your bikini area ever again. Just think about it. One session at the spa can cost anywhere between $40 to $100. And you would need to visit the spa every 3 to 4 weeks for touch-ups. That adds up to a lot of money over the years. If you have been considering getting a Brazilian wax, you might be wondering if it is worth the hype. Well, let me tell you, this technique is the real deal. It gives you the closest shave to the skin without any nicks or cuts, leaving your skin smoother than you can imagine. And the best part, you won't even need to use a razor for several months. This technique is like having the best of both worlds. You get the smoothness of a wax with the precision of a blade. If you thought traditional waxing was painful, just wait until you hear about this method. It takes the discomfort to a whole new level. But don't worry, I will also share some painless waxing hacks that estheticians don't usually talk about. So sit back, relax, and get ready for a Brazilian wax experience like no other. Before we start, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to show support, and stick around till the end to learn some painless waxing hacks that you won't find anywhere else. You will never regret making this choice. Let's begin. Step No. 1 is to trim the hair. Now I know what you're thinking. You just got done trimming the hair less than a week ago. Why do you want me to trim it again? Look, there is no way you can do this without trimming the hair first. I've tried it both ways and it makes no difference if you try to do this with long hair. Trust me, you will only end up with a big mess. But here's the good news. When you trim the hair, you will notice that it grows back thicker and darker. Isn't that amazing? Now, since this is an illegal technique, you can expect the hair to grow back in a different direction, which is why you need to trim it in a specific way. Take your time and make sure to follow the natural curve of your body. It might take you a few attempts to get it just right, but once you do, you will be amazed at how smooth your skin looks. Pro tip: if you're worried about pain, I recommend you start your session by trimming the hair. That way you will be able to distract yourself while the hardest part of the wax is being performed. Next, it's time to wash your hands. Make sure to sanitize them properly to prevent any bacteria from entering your pores. Clean hands are crucial for a successful Brazilian wax. Then take a small amount of oil and apply it to the tip of your fingers. Now this is a secret hack that I guarantee you have never heard before. By applying oil to your fingers, you will be able to easily remove any excess wax that may have stuck to your skin. It might sound strange, but it really works and you don't want to miss out on this game-changing tip. Moving on to step 3, I need you to place a towel on top of your pelvic area. This will help protect your skin from any sudden movements during the waxing process. It's better to be safe than sorry. But here's a pro tip. If you want to take things to the next level, you can also place a towel under your hips. That way you will have a better view of what you're doing and achieve more precise results. Just like Joanna did in her Brazilian wax studio. Next, pour some hot water into a bowl and dip your toes in it. Do this to warm up your feet because believe me, your hands will be fine, but your feet are in trouble. Once your feet are nice and toasty, it's time to put on some socks, and let's move on to step 5. Now that your feet are warm, grab your wax beans and start melting them in a pot over low heat. As they melt, gently stir them with a wooden spoon to ensure an even consistency. For best results, I recommend using soft wax beans, specifically designed for sensitive skin. While the wax cools down, take your time to prepare the rest of the tools you will need. Having everything ready will make the process much smoother and prevent any unnecessary interruptions. Pro tip: if you're feeling extra cautious, you can always test the wax on a small area of your leg before moving on to your bikini area. Before applying the wax, make sure to clean the area thoroughly with a baby wipe. This will remove any dirt or debris that may have accumulated and make the waxing process much easier. After cleaning, take a small piece of cloth and apply talc powder. This will help prevent the wax from sticking to your skin and causing irritation. It's time to apply the wax. Start by placing the hot wax close to your skin, then quickly pull it off in the opposite direction of hair growth. Make sure to hold your skin taut with one hand while pulling the wax with the other. Don't worry about being slow. Take your time to apply each piece of wax carefully and make sure it is not too close to the skin. If you are struggling with larger areas, you can always ask a friend or family member for help. Working together will make the process much faster and more enjoyable. As you continue to apply the wax, keep an eye out for any missed spots. It's important to cover every part of the bikini area so you achieve a smooth finish. Pro tip: if you're finding it difficult to apply the wax, try warming it up slightly. Cool wax can be tricky to work with, but when it's warm, it becomes much more pliable and easier to remove. But remember, even if you do miss a spot or two, don't worry about it. You can always go back and fix it later. It happens to the best of us. It's time to remove the wax. Start by holding your skin taut with one hand, then quickly pull the wax off in the opposite direction of hair growth. Try not to yank or pull aggressively, as this can cause skin tears or ingrown hairs. Instead, think of it as a quick snatch and release motion. If you are working with a friend, have them hold a cold compress nearby to soothe any irritated skin. To reduce the chance of infection, make sure to disinfect your hands thoroughly after removing the wax. For extra comfort, you can apply a cold compress to the area, but be careful not to press too hard as it can be painful. If you're experiencing excessive redness, irritation, or discomfort, I recommend putting on a soothing cream or lotion. You're almost there. Now it's time for a final touch: applying baby powder to the area. This will help prevent any remaining wax from sticking to your skin and causing irritation. Make sure to cover your entire bikini area with a thin layer of powder. Congratulations! You have just completed the Brazilian wax technique. Now let's take a moment to appreciate your bravery and patience. This technique is definitely not for the faint of heart, but the results are worth it. If you have been considering getting a Brazilian wax, I highly encourage you to try this technique. It may seem intimidating at first, but trust me, the end result will blow your mind. Whether you choose to do it yourself or hire a professional, this technique is a game changer. So go ahead and give it a try. You won't regret it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.